Good morning, y'all. Today is day 7 of Speaking Life into This Generation. Today, I just want to give y'all some motivation. I just want to say you're beautiful, you're loved, you're worthy. I know we all go through things. I know people talk down on us, make us feel like make us treat ourselves how other people treat us. Let's start treating ourselves the way that God wants us to treat ourselves. Let's love ourselves. Let's show ourselves grace. If y'all need to start writing your affirmations down, I am beautiful. I am strong. I am worthy. My affirmation is I am strong, and it makes me actually feel strong. And I write it down 100 times a day. So I encourage y'all to do that. And I love y'all. I hope this motivates y'all. And just remember, y'all, you are loved and you are beautiful. Bye, y'all.